Hello Year 7. So, we're back in lockdown. But is this a setback or is it an opportunity? The choice is entirely yours. Now we're working from home and you're having to access your education from your home, which isn't quite as easy as it may sound. You may encounter problems accessing your work for a multitude of different reasons, but please don't worry. You aren't going to get into trouble if you can't access your work. The first place you can go to get help at any time is the Garibaldi School website. By clicking on the link I've put below, you can find help on a multitude of different things, from how to access Teams to how you can download Microsoft Office for free. If you go onto the Garibaldi School website page, and you can find a tab that says Remote Learning, you can access all the information that way as well. Now the link, what I will do is I will copy and paste the link into the Teams chat page for Year 7, where you'll be able to click on it there. If you're still having problems and cannot find a solution on the Garibaldi School website, your next point of call is your mentor. If you need help, please email your mentor using your school email address only. Mentors cannot respond to students' personal email addresses. If your issue is to do with accessing your email, you could ask your parent or carer to give the school a call, and we will be able to help. Mentor email addresses can be found on the Garibaldi School website, or you can message your mentor with any problems through your Teams account. The key is communication. If you're having problems with your internet, make sure you can tell one of us, either your teacher or your mentor. That is absolutely fine, and we can pass messages across to each other. Okay? Now, here's some top tips to help you out with your home learning. 1. Have your timetable with you that's on your lanyard next to you so you know what lessons you have next. 2. Use the alarm on your mobile phone as a reminder for lesson timings. So you could use your mobile phone as kind of like a school bell. 3. Make sure you have all of your equipment with you as you would do if you were at school, and this includes a pen and paper. I would also have rulers and calculators. 4. Listen to your teachers carefully. They have gone to great lengths to ensure you can continue to learn. There will be all sorts of wonderful and different approaches to learning. There may well be some interactive games, there's some simulations that you're going to use, and lots of different programs that you're going to experience. So there is an opportunity to experience new ways of learning. 5. If you are having problems, communicate with your teachers to let them know. We are here to help. And 6, most importantly, try your best as you would do at school. And final slide is just a little talk about mental health tips. So being locked down again isn't easy for anyone, and it's really important that you look after your mental health. So here are a few tips that's going to help. Number 1, stick to your routine. Having a daily routine helps massively in keeping your mind focused. This is where your timetable can help. 2, connect to friends and family. Remember that your friends and family are often only a phone or video call away. Although we can't see people face to face as much as we'd like, we can still FaceTime, we can still pick the phone up, we can still have a chat. 3, speak to your mentors. Your mentors are here to guide and advise you where they can with any problems you may have. That's what we are here for. If you've got problems, just get in touch. 4, get a good night's sleep. By getting a good night's sleep, you will feel refreshed and ready to face the day's challenges. 5, don't overwork yourself. You are only expected to work the same amount of time as you would do in school. You may well have a few homework tasks, however, don't overwork yourself. 6, get some exercise. A really good tool for mental health is exercise. When you exercise, endorphins are released into your body, which make you feel good, they make you feel happy. Even if it's running on the spot for 1 minute, even if it's you go out into the back garden to do some jumping jacks, even if it's you go out and take part in PE's kick-up challenge that's about to happen soon. Get a little bit of exercise, it will reduce any stresses that you have. 7, take a break. When it's time for break, come away from your computer, come away from your phone, come away from your console, come away from your TV. Go and do something else for a couple of minutes if it's a short in-between lesson break, or at the normal break time, step away from all your electronic devices and let your brains recharge. Okay, even going into a different room for 5 minutes just for a chat with somebody who's on break time will help massively. And finally, what are our opportunities? So you're in the comfort of your own home. You don't have to put your uniform on. 2, you'll get to use software that you've never even heard of, a lot of which are really fun to use. In science, we use a lot of different softwares and a lot of different simulations that show really good scientific concepts. 3, it's winter. You haven't got to walk to school in the freezing cold or in the pouring rain. That is an absolute benefit. 4, as I've already said, you don't have to wear a uniform. You can wear what you want. You can wear what you're comfortable in. 5, you don't have to hide your phone in your bag. You've got your phone at the side of you. Some of you will be using it to access the learning, and that's excellent. 6, you get a little bit of a lie in because you've not got to get up to walk to school in the morning. 7, if you don't know something, you can research it almost straight away. You've got the internet at your fingertips. 8, you can eat your dinner and have your drinks when you want. Just remember though, guys, we are here to help you. Listen to your teachers. They know what they're doing. They have designed everything to help maximize all the learning time that you've got. Okay? Remember to stay safe and be the example to all the other year groups. Thank you guys, and I'll see you all soon.